We are live. What's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the hell you are on this planet. I hope you're having a fantastic time. Yeah, so what's going on, guys? What's good? What's good? Let's dive into the chat, see what everybody's up to, shall we? Give you guys a couple of minutes to kind of pour on in. What do we got? Beebs with the first comment. Good afternoon, future crypto millionaires. Beebs, what's up, my brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, bro. Sun is hot. What's good, man? What's good? Night of Eternity. What is going on, man? I really want more lower buying opportunities. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, man. Exactly. 100%. 100%. I'm looking at it too. I want some lower prices, especially right now on Swift Coin. I really want to, man, if we could get Swift Coin down to like a third of a cent, that would be something else. I know most of you have probably been here a while, so forgive me. Hey, man, we're on the same page. You and me, man. You and me. I got you. Tommy, you're good, brother. I'm the same way. Exactly. Tommy's on board. He knows what's up. Nacho, good morning, my friend. Good morning. Kevin, brother, what's going on? Hello, you crypto money making mofos. Shea Boy, what's up, man? How you doing, man? Nacho, I have 300K Swift now. I've been working on DoorDash like crazy person, putting in hours. That's how it's done, brother. That is how it's done. Exactly. Grind away on those side gigs, man. Frick, you got a car, man? Like Uber Eats, man. Uber Eats, that stuff. DoorDash, make that money. Buy that crypto, man. Right? William, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. J.E. in his house. Kunk City. Juicy Jasmy. Absolutely, man. Juicy Jasmy. Nacho getting it done. Working hard to retire. Respect, my friend. Absolutely. Put some respect on Nacho's name. 100%, man. 100% agree with that. Alistair, morning all. I have a feeling we'll be above 2 cents by the end of the day. If Bitcoin heads north of 65K, Jasmy will start pumping. Need some PDL and lockup news to get volume up. Absolutely. Pump up the volume. Nacho, it's wearing my car out, but it'll all be all this money I'm going to get. You just get another. Exactly, man. You're just gonna use that car as a junker later anyway, because you're gonna have a brand new car, man. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck. This is my first bull run, trying to make it. Hey, you're in the right place, man. You are doing it right. If you're here in crypto now at this time, you're doing it right, man. Yeah, exactly. JE says you're doing it right. Exactly, 100%. Kevin says, Nacho, it's mine too. I'm excited to see where Jasmy takes me. Shane, good morning. AK, afternoon, man. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great day too, my brother. Steven in the house. Rob should have an opening act since he's always fashionably late. Am I late? Am I? What is it Gandalf says? A wizard is never late. He arrives precisely when he means to. Same, Kevin. I have 200K on Jasmy for now. Trying to put as much as I can in other projects now. 100%. Lily, what's up? Notification gang in the house. Nicholas in the house. What's up, man? What's up? Hey, what's up, Nikek? What's going on? Kevin, I have roughly 2.1 million Jasmy, working on 1 million Swift and XCN. We got this. Absolutely, man. What's up, man? What's up, Rob? Oscar in the house. Been sick all week from Cabela last weekend. Oh, no. Good to be back. Good to see you back, man. I'm glad you're feeling better, my brother. I'm glad you are feeling better. Was members only live stream on Sunday? Yes, it's on Sundays. It is on Sundays. So what is today? Is today Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. So yeah, it's on Sunday. It is on Sunday. Good afternoon. Can't wait for the market to tank to scoop them Jasmys up. Absolutely. I love the mindset, guys. I absolutely love it. Pluto, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Good morning, good morning. Craig, Ondo, don't forget to get your Ondo. Absolutely, man. Ondo's going to be a game changer. Rob, I had to add some more KASPA. Let's go. Oh, yeah. God, absolutely, man. You got to add KASPA. Got to keep dollar cost in that KASPA. I'm lucky. I filled up my KASPA very, very, very low. We got into KASPA very early. So yeah, I mean, I feel like with Swift right now, I'm buying Swift around the same price I was, dollar cost averaging into maybe it's around the same price as KASPA originally. So I feel like I'm getting in super early on Swift now too, I got that same vibes. What do we got? Hey brother, can I get can I get a realistic price expectation on JASMY when it tops out? What are you thinking? Epic results, absolutely, man. Listen, I just did a JASMY price prediction video like last week, right? I would highly recommend going to watch it. I did a short-term price target and a long-term price target. Go watch that video, my friend. Search my videos for my JASMY price prediction video. I did it like last week, so absolutely check that out, man. Well played, well played. Just me. What's up, man? What's up? What's up, fam? Am on my way to vacation for 3 weeks. I'm going to be in Indonesia from tomorrow on. We'll try to make it to the live streams from time to time. Stay strong, fam. Let's bounce crazy. If you be safe on your vacation, my friend, be safe, take care, and yeah, have a fantastic time. Have a great time, man. You've earned it. Everything from London, UK. Chris in the house. What's up? Evening. I said everything, didn't I? Sorry. In the house, Chris. T-Mac Mac. What's up? JASMY like a breeze, so light. Inspiring dreams. Take flight. Let's go. Loving the rhyming, brother. Loving it. Craig, people waiting for another dump that might be dangerous. DCA. Yes, I agree. Never wait for lower prices. H. Barbarita, just want to say hello and see you later. Have a company meeting for the next 2 hours. Catch up later. All right, man. Thank you so much for popping in and dropping a comment. Thank you, my brother. It's always good to have that support, man. RMG, the Godfather, BKA, the Rob Father in the house. It's the Rob Father, Brian says. Hey, Rob, realistic conservative price prediction for this bull run for Assemble Protocol. Assemble Protocol. What's the ticker on that? Never mind, I found it. I found it. What do we got? Assemble Protocol. Oh, it doesn't even give me the market cap. Freaking CoinGecko, eh? They drive me nuts with that. They very rarely give you the market cap. Unless it's like a top 10. All right, so we got a 49, basically a $50 million market cap. Almost 100% of the supply in circulation. What do they do? What do they do? Your points on blockchain. Exciting news. Assemble Protocols undergoing the rebranding right now. They're currently rebranding. I don't know what that means. I'll be honest with you, man. It's rebranding. So for me, if a project is rebranding, I would wait to see what happens with the rebranding and stuff like that. I don't know, because I don't know what that means, right? So I mean, I'll just say it's possible it could get it'll likely smash its all-time high, depending on what the dilution rate was in the bear market, but probably. But I personally wouldn't get any until after I figured out what they were doing with this rebranding situation. X marks the spot. Are we rich yet, Rob? Hey, listen, you're not poor. You're just pre-rich, right? Remember that. Funky, howdy, howdy. Added to my Swift. Jasmy XCN robbed my ADA to get these on the dip. Nice. J Bond in the house. Hey, Rob, 10% Jasmy pump today, please. Where is it right now? Well, it's up right now. It's up 0.9% on the day so far. Lily, didn't Indonesia have a volcano erupt? I'm not too sure. Buck Snort, another fake out. What's up, Ankit? Hello, everyone. Joining the live, working from my office. Nice. Awesome to have you here, man. Awesome to have you. Tommy, Rob, you think Jasmy will melt faces? Right off of skulls, brother. Right off of skulls. Shane, everyone hit that like and subscribe. This man puts in a lot of work for us. Thank you, Shane. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. Beebs, Rob, I agree with the great entry into Swift. I'm thinking the same vibes with XCN. Yes, exactly. Exactly. What do we got? Batlander, hello to the Rob Father and fellow future wealthy people. Hello, hello. Welcome in, brother. Welcome in. Awesome to have you. Awesome to have you, man. Multiplanet Pro, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, let's. I haven't even checked if we're live yet over on X. Yeah, we're live. We are live on X. If you're new here, guys, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. Help us out with that. And I'm just making sure we're all good to go here. Just bear with me for a moment. Just bear with me for a moment. I got some good content coming out for you guys over the next couple of days. You know that? I've been in the lab, man. I've been doing a lot of making a lot of footage for you guys. A lot of content coming out over the next couple of days. So a lot of good stuff. A lot of good stuff. Sorry, I'm just making sure I'm set up properly here. All right. All right, we are good to go. We're going to check on what the news is today, this morning. Get through a couple more of these. RMG, hey Rob, does the bull run start June, July? No, the bull run, I mean, we're already in a bull run. Well, no, we're in a bull market, sorry. The bull run should start, parabolic part should start somewhere in Q3. October, November, December is where we should be targeting for the start of the parabolic run. Crypto Goddess in the house. Hello, multi-millionaire family. What's up? What's up? Shadow Lord, sorry. I've noticed Jasmy and Bitcoin seem to be fluctuating in correlation with each other. You think you've mentioned? Yes, I've been showing the charts over the last couple of days when it comes to Jasmy and Bitcoin, like side by side. And yes, they have been almost identical. They both also have big bull flags on the weekly and like the 3-day and stuff like that. So both are primed for a massive breakout. Broham, what's up? Converted my Gala to Jasmy because YOLO. Nice. Very nice. Hey, Rob, I went ahead and grabbed 350K Jasmy last night. Goal will be to hold at least 650K for the bull run. Nice. I like to see that portfolio turning around, Techno. That's epic, man. That is epic. Price prediction by the end of the month. Oh, geez. For Jasmy? I mean, probably pretty close to where it is now, to be honest with you. Maybe a little over 2 cents, the way that things are going right now. It's hard to tell, guys. Like, Grayscale's still dumping on us like crazy, man. So, until they finish dumping on us, it's going to be, unpredictable. Some days they dump, some days they don't. So it's like, that's really what you're asking me to predict. Is Grayscale going to keep dumping on us for the rest of the month? Here, Rob, I know you're doing conservative price prediction for Jasmy, like Hara mentioned. They see a price of Jasmy reaching $17. If everything goes according, will we reach this price in 10 years? Well, I think we'll reach it before 10 years, my friend. Listen, I have some exciting news about that, okay? I'm still working out the details, all right? However, Brian, he's a Jasmy ambassador. He's the one who, if you guys watch Max's video day before yesterday, I think it was, where we were all talking on the X Spaces for Jasmy. We had Dip Metaverse, we had Brian, myself, Max was there, obviously. A whole bunch of people were there. Anyway, Brian goes into great detail. Brian is very, very good at breaking down the mathematical equation of how JASMY can get to the $17 mark and how that is actually a very conservative target, right? Anyway, I've been talking with Brian, and he's going to be coming on the channel. We're trying to hammer out when he's available. He's a very, very busy man, so I greatly appreciate him taking the time to, when he can, to come on. But when he does, I'm gonna ask him to break that whole thing down for you guys live on stream, so you guys can understand how bullish this actually is, right? Beebs, I was going to say, it looks like JASMY is showing a major bull flag pennant. Yes, it is on the weekly and like the 3-day as well. I turned my 100K amp into, that's a good swap, man. That's a good swap. Do you think BTC will drop under 55K? I think it's possible, but I don't think it's likely. That's where I'll put it. It's possible, yes. So me personally, I'm ready for it. I got dry powder on the side in case it happens. But do I think it's realistically going to happen? Probably not. JASMY 50 cents by December. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, Gary. Price of Swift. I think Swift's going to make it somewhere around $1, but I will be dollar cost averaging out around 50 cents, to be honest with you. Take my profits and run. Hey. All right, let's have a look at what's going on out there today, guys. We're going to get into some of the news. Going to have to step away from the chat for a bit. So, all right, let's have a look here. Holding 0.001 Bitcoin could make you a multimillionaire, according to Fidelity director. Bitcoin has made its name as a deflationary and decentralized asset. These properties are written into the source code and cannot be altered. Many see these characteristics and think about how it could potentially send the price higher, and wonder how a small investment in Bitcoin could generate generational wealth. Take a look at what some of the top analysts are saying about where the price of Bitcoin could go in the coming years and decades. One of the more compelling predictions for the future price of Bitcoin comes from Fidelity Investments. Jaron Timmer, Fidelity's global head of macro, has claimed that Bitcoin could go as high as $1 billion by 2038. The prediction is mostly based on Metcalfe's law, which states that a networked financial asset value is equal to the share of the number of users in the network. The law, which places the numerical emphasis on network effects, has mostly been applied to technologies such as the internet and social media. However, Timmer believes that the law is also applicable to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, at its core, a network. It helps connect users and facilitate peer-to-peer transactions, according to Timmer and Metcalfe's law. The value of Bitcoin should increase exponentially as new users join the network. This exponential growth has been shown in the past, with Bitcoin exploding in price over the past decade at the same time as the number of users have grown greatly. With the new spot exchange traded funds, the number of users of Bitcoin also increased, which was correlated with the new all-time high. This could be further evidence of Metcalfe's law in practice. The prediction relies on two main assumptions. First, Timmer assumes that that users new to the network will value the connection it provides and be able to use them. This could be an issue for those who simply want to invest in Bitcoin as a store of value and do not want to use it as a way to transact. Timmer also assumes that the number of users of Bitcoin will continue to grow rapidly over the next decade. It's also possible that Bitcoin will fail to reach a large-scale adoption necessary to reach $1 billion price target. Despite the assumption, Timmer presents, that jumped around on me there. That was weird. Timmer presents an interesting case for a $1 billion BTC using the popular economic model. What do you guys think? Is he right? Is the Fidelity director correct that we will see a $1 billion Bitcoin by 2038? Makes you wonder, May. Makes you wonder. Maybe you should own a little bit of Bitcoin, right? So, absolutely, man. Absolutely. What else do we got going on? Check this out, guys. Listen up. Listen up. I got something for you here. Brad Garlinghouse on Fox News says Ripple will dominate crypto infrastructure. Let's listen to the man.
This morning, joining me right now exclusively is the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse. Brad, it's great to see you.
Great to see you again.
Thank you so much for being here. First, assess where we are in this market because crypto is up huge in just the last couple of weeks, right?
Well, it's been up. It came down a little bit this past weekend. But I think if you step back over the last 6 months, Bitcoin's up about 250%. I think you're going to continue to see tailwinds, partly because of the ETFs that have been approved, which you and I spoke about in Davos, but also the upcoming halving, which is imminent.
Yeah, it's a great point. The ETF introduction really broadened out the market in terms of potential users, I think. And people wanted to get in on it, so they bought an ETF to do so. But you recently predicted that the crypto market will double in size to $5 trillion by the end of 2024. That is a big prediction just by the end of this year.
Yeah, I don't even feel like it's that big a prediction when you step back. And, like any market, this is driven by supply and demand. You have decreasing supply for a whole bunch of reasons, the halving of Bitcoin being an important one. You have an increasing demand, the ETF being a key part of that. And I think it's also people realizing that crypto plays a role as an asset. It's a $2.5 trillion market. Maybe it's a little less than that now. But so it's basically just predicting it's going to double by the end of the year. And if anything, I think I probably underpredicted that.
I feel like Washington is still trying to understand this market, and the people writing the legislation or potential legislation here to put barriers and around this market. I don't know that they really understand the strength and the growth story here. But you think putting regulation around this, putting barriers in place is going to be a positive for this market?
There is no question. I mean, one of the headwinds that has held back the market, the largest economy in the world, the United States, has been one of the most problematic for the crypto market. Innovation, entrepreneurs, and capital have flown into markets that have actually constructively engaged this market. So Dubai, Singapore, even the UK, the EU has passed legislative progress here. The US has really been behind the 8 ball. This administration, I think, has taken a pretty anti-crypto stance, led by the SEC. Gary Gensler, as the chair, has really taken...
Because he doesn't understand it.
I think there's
some... Well, maybe he does, and the people working for him don't.
It's not clear to me. I mean, clearly, I think you have politicians, and I would frankly call out Elizabeth Warren goes out and says the only people using crypto are, bad actors. It's just not true. And the U.S. should have a pro-innovation, pro-compliance policy. This is good for, in terms of growing jobs, high-paying jobs, growing the economy. And I think you're seeing, people go out and just, talking points around anti-crypto that it doesn't even make sense. This shouldn't even be a partisan issue. This is about growing our economy.
Yeah.
This is about leading the next wave of innovation. I was around Silicon Valley when the internet was booming, massive amount of value creation, massive amount of job creation. The blockchain and crypto space is here to stay, and I think that's become clearer and clearer. But the U.S. government needs to embrace that and put those clear rules around it so that all participants can play and grow.
Yeah, and I'm glad you mentioned all of those countries because that's also an opportunity for you, obviously, at Ripple. I want to get your take on that because you recently announced Ripple is launching a U.S. dollar-backed stablecoin later this year. You say this bridges the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency. Tell us how that will play out, why it's valuable, and give us the growth story for Ripple. Where does growth come from at your company in the coming 3 years?
So to start on that last piece, Ripple, about over 95% of our customers are non-US financial institutions. We sell payment solutions, we sell custody solutions around blockchain and crypto. We're going to keep expanding, even though the US market, as we were talking about earlier, partly from a regulatory point of view, has been slow to adopt. The non-US market has been really, really strong for us. And you're
going to be the infrastructure around all of that.
That is our goal. And we think that opportunity is huge. We think that's going to be great for Ripple. We think it's going to be great for XRP, which is a digital asset we use. So I'm very, very optimistic about that. I just think that the U.S. needs to figure it out.
And the stable coin?
Oh, the stable coin. So like Ripple has always been about how do we bridge this new world with a traditional kind of, people call it TradFi, traditional finance. And Ripple has always been that bridge. We started around payments and we sell into banks. A stable coin, the demand for stable coins has exceeded, I think, what people thought. It's a $150 billion asset class right now. Some forecast it to be over 2-3 trillion in a few years. The players in that space, particularly one called Tether, is a non-US based entity. And the US, frankly, is kind of going after that because they want this to be regulated. Just yesterday, there's a new bill introduced in the Senate to create some stablecoin legislation, which I think is a positive step of like, hey, finally, we might get some forward momentum there. But I think that market's going to grow a lot. I think a US-based player who is compliance first has a great role to play.
It's a great story to tell. Brad, thank you so much for being here.
It's absolutely right, guys. The boom is coming. The boom is a-coming. What else do we got? What else going on out there, guys? Rect Capital, BTC. If history repeats, next bull market peak may occur 518 to 546 days after the halving. That's mid-September or mid-October 2025. That's what I've been telling you guys. Roughly a little over 500 days after the halving, you have from the halving until the peak of the market, right? So that's your window, guys. That is your window. I will be out of the market most likely by the middle of summer next year. However, taking my money and running, man. Taking my money and running and waiting for the next bear market to take place. And of course, here we go. Grayscale breaking. Grayscale just transferred through 3,329 BTC worth $207 million to Coinbase. Another dump incoming. You'll love to see it. Get ready to fill those bags, guys. Get ready to fill those bags. What do we got? What is JASMY coin, guys? The reason that I show this article is because this is the third article I've seen in 2 days. And they're promoting down here. You don't need me to read it because you know what JASMY coin is already. Okay, but down here, now who owns CoinMarketCap? Oh, I believe that would be Binance, right? And look what they're doing. Look what they're doing. They're promoting the fact that you can buy JASMY on Binance, just like Binance made that update on their website there, how to buy JASMY. They introduced new ways to buy JASMY the other day. This is the second article I found this morning that is promoting JASMY being available on Binance. Connect the dots, guys, right? Innovation zone. We're coming out of it soon, guys. We're coming out of it soon. Why is Binance putting all this effort into promoting that you can buy JASMY over on Binance all of a sudden? It's not a coincidence, guys. It's not an accident. It's not luck. It's not just pure luck, right? There's a reason that this is happening, right? I think an announcement is coming, guys. An announcement is coming. And we have a look over at the good old DXY. Had a bit of we had a red candle there, which is good. It's good. But we need a further breakdown, guys. We need this to completely collapse back down on the DXY for the crypto market to start pumping. So that's what we need to see. We're keeping an eye on it every single day, every single way. So yeah. What else do we got going on out there? Breaking news, guys. If Bitcoin can make its way back up to 71K, over $6 billion worth of shorts will be liquidated. That is insane. So, people playing with leverage, if Bitcoin breaks up to 71K, which is only a few $1,000s, $6 billion worth of liquidations is going to happen on shorts, guys. Be careful with your leverage trading. Be careful. More bullish news for Binance. Check this out, guys. Just in, Binance gets full regulatory license in Dubai. They're back at it, boys. Binance is back with the full regulatory license in Dubai. absolutely bullish, guys. Absolutely bullish. All these bullish stories, they start to, you know, drops in a bucket, man. They start to mean a lot. So they add up to a big deal. JASMY continues to stockholders, added 538 holders in the last 8 days. And currently at 67,745 holders, almost 68K holders, guys. Look at this. This is the amount of, this is the increase in holders for JASMY wallets. Very, very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. One second. What else do we got? Oh, check this guy out. Check this guy out. That's right. Good old Jamie Dimon. He's a fraud. Yeah, sorry. He says Bitcoin is a fraud and a Ponzi scheme. Here are the facts. This is why I say pay attention to what they're doing with their money. Don't pay attention to what they're saying on TV, guys. Look. So Jamie Dimon says that Bitcoin is a fraud and a Ponzi scheme. JP Morgan funds hold Bitcoin, but they say it's a Ponzi and a scam, right? It's a fraud, but they hold it, okay? Check out fact number 2. JP Morgan is an authorized participant in BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, if he truly believed that Bitcoin was a scam and he truly believed that it was a Ponzi scheme, why the hell would they not only hold Bitcoin, but also be an authorized participant in BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETFs if it was such a scam? And he didn't believe in it, right? The fact of the matter is this. Jamie Dimon is late to the party. He was one of the last ones, just like what's his name? Freaking Mr. Flick there over at BlackRock, right? His name always escapes me for some reason. And you know what? He was last to the party, and now he's pissed off because everybody else started caving in and buying Bitcoin, and he was the last man standing for the most part, calling it a scam. Now he's trying to get in, and he's trying to drive prices down so he can get in, but too little, too late, buddy. Sorry, you missed the boat, right? Sorry about your luck, Chuck. What do we got? Michael Vandepop says, pretty significant chance Bitcoin will be bouncing from this area upwards for some relief. The hype is slowly fading away for Bitcoin as the halving is approaching, and narratives will be changing. Absolutely, expecting a little bit of a break here, a little bit of pumpy action. If we pump back up here to 71K, like I said, guys, $6 billion in liquidations. Would not be cool. Would not be cool. Let's check this out. All right, let's get into the meat and potatoes of it here. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about ASI coin and stuff like that. Talking some Fetch.ai, guys. Market correction shake Fetch.ai's cryptocurrency value. Fetch.ai, a prominent cryptocurrency, has seen a notable decline in its value following recent market downturns. The cryptocurrency, often abbreviated as FET, has struggled to recover losses and is now moving towards the consolidation phase. This downward trend has raised concerns among investors about the future trajectory of Fetch price. The broader cryptocurrency market declines has noticeably affected investors' interest in Fetch.ai. Network growth indicators, which track new addresses, formations, and overall network participation, have dipped to their lowest levels in months. This reduction reflects the weakened market confidence, potentially leading to further declines in Fetch market presence and value. Additionally, the disparity in daily activity addresses compared to the general market trend has triggered sell signals within the community. These signals occur when price movements do not align with the network participation, suggesting a bearish outlook among existing investors. Currently, Fetch.ai's price hovers below the $2 mark, showcasing potential for consolidation amid market ambiguity. Despite impending events like Bitcoin halving and that could positively influence altcoin prices. The lack of robust investor backing for Fed poses challenges for substantial upward price movement. The anticipated consolidation could see the Fetch price fluctuating within defined resistance and support levels. The levels are crucial for breaching, as breaching could dictate the future direction of the price, either resuming an upward trajectory or continuing a downward trend. Sorry, guys, suddenly I just got like a massive headache out of nowhere. The head's just throbbing all of a sudden. In conclusion, Fetch faces a critical period of price stabilization amid volatile markets conditions. Investors should monitor network activity and broader market events closely. Yeah, we know about that. So, guys, a lot of people have been asking me about this ASI coin and this migration that's going to happen, or, I guess you could call it a migration, right? Listen. If you realistically, if you want to get in early on this ASI project, just buy Fetch token because they're doing a 1-for-1, right? So that would be my advice if you want to get in early on this ASI, because they're not going to officially launch it until like May 23rd. I did an ASI video this morning on it, but it won't be launching until like the end of May. So if you want to start accumulating this token ahead of time, I would say the best way to do it would just be to accumulate Fetch AI token, because like I said, it's a 1-for-1 that you're going to get. So that would be your best bet, in my opinion, to kind of get ahead of the curve. So what else do we got? Bitcoin's price will certainly be $1 million by 2030 with surging trends, CEO says. Real Vision CEO Raoul Pal described how crypto adoption rates put Bitcoin price on pace to hit a 9 figures by the end of the decade. That would be by the end of the next bull run. That would be absolutely amazing. In a recent interview, Real Vision CEO Raoul Pal outlined a $1 million Bitcoin price projection based on growth of the digital asset wallets. He says, let's say it goes from 175% a year, where it's been trending, and goes to 43% a year, which is what the internet did from year 8 onwards. Pal said in the video above, well, crypto gets 1 billion people by the end of the year. You know what? Oh, we can't, because there's a song there and I'll get dinged for it. So he says it gets to 4 billion by 2030. Well, at 4 billion wallets, the price will certainly be $1 million. It's for perspective, it's difficult to pinpoint the exact adoption rate of crypto around the world, though a recent survey of consumers in 50 countries worldwide indicated that adoption is largely growing. Pal added that as a flagship of one of the fastest growing asset classes in the world, Bitcoin is on an inevitable path towards higher prices. Quote, crypto is going twice the speed of the internet in terms of adoption, Pal said. So it's the fastest adoption of any technology in the asset class and the world has ever seen. So what do you guys think? $1 million Bitcoin by the end of 2029, 2030? My opinion is yes. I do believe that we can see it. I do believe that we will see it. It is very, very possible. So in saying that, guys, we're going to bring it back over to the chat and see what everybody's talking about. What do we got? I'm on Rob Father, LOL. Hey, how you doing? How you doing, brother? The Rob Father in the house. Beebs, $1 billion. Yeah, crazy target, right? Hey guys, from Carl the Moon. Carl the Moon said earlier Bitcoin could possibly go down to 31K. Worst case, he said. I think that's very severe. Carl the Moon is a clickbaiter, in my opinion. So I mean, I don't know. I go with more credible TA people than Carl the Moon. I'll be old as hell in 2038 if I'm still alive. Yeah, you and me both. You and me both. My guess by April next year will at least 8 to 10 trillion in Bitcoin. I could see that. Yep, I could see it. I believe it. Liquidity says, end of the day, you can't predict the market, so best option is to just DCA and hodl. Exactly. Garth, the Swift you talk about, is it on any exchanges? Yes, it's on Coinbase, it's on KuCoin, to name a couple. Yes, it is. XRP, X marks the spot. Go Brad, 100%. Anyone holding Litecoin? Nope, I am not holding Litecoin. The GOV plans strictly regulated stable coins. There should be a board of to regulate. Politicians are too, yes, and they can be influenced by money too easily. JASMY holders, put your seatbelts on. Exactly. Conservative price for XDC. XDC. Ugh, I haven't looked at XDC in a while. I hold XDC, but I haven't actually looked at it in a while. At a $500 million market cap. Tokenomics are not terrible. 19 cents. I mean, I could see realistically, based on, tokenomics, market cap, I could see between 30 to 40 cents. I could see it hitting somewhere around there would be attainable. I remember Binance doing this about a specific coin or two last bull run from Binance. I just can't remember what they are. I just remember the coins pumped big time last cycle. Yep, they're pumping it. What makes you think Swiftcoin will reach $1? Thanks, Rob. Because of the utility behind it. Because it's a payment. It's in the payments structure. Narrative. Sorry, it is also being backed by China. Very popular in Asia, in the East, and like I keep saying, a lot of money is going to be pouring into crypto from the East. Plus, it's got a very, very small market cap and a long road ahead of it. So that's how miners can make big bags if shorts flop. Yes, exactly. And you know what's going to happen too, Crypto Queen, right? If there's $6 billion in liquidations just hanging around there in shorts, it's the market's gonna get manipulated up to 71K so they can take all that money, right? It's all gonna get eaten up. You watch. It happens every time. I saw something on X talking about BlackRock in Dubai. Interesting. I'll have to look into that. Rare Breed Academy, what's up, man? What are your thoughts on AWT's pullback recently? Is it just due to market volatility and everything else? What's your price prediction for AWT? Yes, in my opinion, it is just. I mean, it's just the rest of the market, right? I filled up my bags on Abyss World, epically, man, epically. I'm holding a nice juicy bag of AWT. I cannot wait for this bad boy to go. Yeah, no, I'm not worried about this at all. Not at all, man. I wouldn't even say really. Oh, you guys aren't even looking at what I'm looking at here. Over here. Boom. It's only got a $3 million market cap, man. This one's going to fly. All of Web3 gaming has been waiting to pump. It's like I would be concerned if like Web3 gaming went on a big run, like all the other Web3 gaming plays went on a big run and AWT didn't. Then I would be like, but that's not the case. Web3 gaming has been kind of stoic for a little while now, and it's going to have its time, right? You got to remember, guys, I always say it's always dumpiest before it's pumpiest, right? So I am not concerned in the least. In fact, if we lose a zero on here, I might even buy some more, to be honest with you, because these prices are just too good, man. Too freaking good. Vero once again made me $1,200 again last night and $925 today so far. With a $5,000 investment, Harvest is the way to do the same thing. I've been buying and dumping these two assets for 2 months. Nice. Congratulations. Eat some garlic. Help that blood pressure. Good call. Get that money. Dollar bills, y'all. Harvest Finance. Can you suggest a really good video to watch on Swift Coin? I'm currently holding Jasmy. Yes, I can. Go over to Max's channel, Maximus Crypto. He did a very, very deep dive collaboration video into Swift Coin. I would highly recommend you go over there and watch it. Go to Max's videos, search out Swift Coin, and you'll know everything you need to know about it. Kevin, hack, yes. Rare breed, harvest, yeah. Farm. Debating on whether to get to Consensus 2024 in Austin at the end of May. I live in Texas, about 3 hours from there, so travel expenses will be minimal. Trying to decide if it's worth the money. Let me tell you right now, man, if I was that close, I'd be there if it was me. I'm up in Canada, though, so it'd be way, way harder for me to get there than it is for you. But if I had that kind of opportunity on my doorstep, I would definitely take advantage of it. Got 3 to 5 months to keep adding until the bull run starts. Yes, exactly. My accounts is down 8 grand. Should I sell the dip? Sell it all. Sell it all. It's not like I believed Carl. I know you didn't, Queenie, Crypto Queen. I know you didn't. I just wanted to mention that he said it. Just open. He's only 16 years old. Yeah, no, I know you would. I know you're far more intelligent to just listen to somebody like that. And I know that. I know you were just mentioning it. XCN, not XDC. Thank you. XCN. My XCN target is somewhere around 25 to 30 cents. So yeah. One project I own is Origin Trail Track. Yeah, I think we looked at Track yesterday, didn't we? I think what's getting overlooked is their partnerships with NVIDIA, which formed at the end of March. Yeah, I think we looked at that yesterday, and I think it was yesterday, and I said it was a good project. I think something that I would approve of. IMX gonna give it to you. Mutable X, Web3 gaming, right? Am I right? Am I right? I'm right. Yep, I'm right. Of course I'm right. Yeah, I'm bullish. I think in terms of Web3 gaming though, the market cap's a little bit high for my liking, but it's more of a solid play though, for sure. Nacho, yeah, I put money on Star Atlas. It's a Solana game. It looks pretty good. And the devs behind, yeah, I've looked into Star Atlas before. It's not a bad play. What's your favorite crypto gaming project? My favorite is Miria right now. That's my favorite right now. Any thoughts on ICP? Love ICP. I just did a price prediction video on ICP 2 days. Was it yesterday? Might have been yesterday or the day before. Go check that out. I love ICP. I hold ICP. I think it's a fantastic project. Got the short end of the stick in the last bull run, and yeah, it's going to do fantastic things this time around. Go check out my ICP price prediction video. I'm so limited on Coinbase. I downloaded MetaMask, but I'm still trying to learn how to use it. I've been watching tutorial videos, but I just don't get it. I need younger brain. You know what? Don't feel bad, man. It's complicated for everybody. They really need to upgrade the whole DeFi wallets and stuff like that. Like they're not easy, but learning how to use them will make you a lot of money. So, Beebs, Rob, I'm ready for Miria to rip. Me too, brother. Me too. That's going to be another solid one. Solid. What's Miria doing today anyway? Let's have a look at Miria. Still 1/6 of a cent, man. Whew, it's a good opportunity to scoop more up. Holy smokes. Absolutely, man. You'll love to see it. Guys, if you're new, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. We'd love to have you stick around, right? Love to have you as part of the family here. So, yeah. What else do we got? Hey, Rob, AcquireFi. Still big things to come from this project. AcquireFi. Not finding anything over on CoinGecko. What's the ticker? Yeah, I don't know, man. I need to send me the ticker. Let me know what it is. Meme coin season over now. Altcoin season coming. Yes, it is coming, man. ET. If you had 4K USD, would you add more ICP, Swift coin, or Jasmy coin? I would. You know what? I would honestly. You know, I would put. I'd probably chop it 3 ways, man. I know it's boring, but I would probably chop it 3 ways. You can't go wrong with any of those 3 projects. So to continue, it depends on the size of your bags. If you already have a very large bag of ICP, I would just go 2K into Jasmy, 2K into Swiftcoin. But if your bag of ICP is not that big yet, then I would just divide it 3 ways, right? Picked up my first bag of DCI at 84 cents. Nice. That's going to be a good one, man. I'm excited. That's going to be a good one. Props, man. Forta is another gem that's gaining popularity. I sometimes buy $20 to watch before investing 5K more. Forta. Let's have a look at Forta. Reasonably low market cap. Tokenomics are not bad. AI play. All-time high 2 years ago, 96 cents. Some decent listings. Yeah, this seems like a decent play. I would honestly, I would drop some money into this one for sure. Seems like a good play. It's going to do some good things. Yeah, Phil, it took me a minute to understand, but I'm finally starting to understand it a little bit. Yeah, MetaMask, yeah. I come for the crypto, I stay for the hip hop references. Nice. This just in, buy, then buy more. Absolutely, KK. Good to see you, man. I don't want to hear how you could have bought Bitcoin under 70K later. Agreed 100%. What do you call a big bag of ICP? Well, I mean, let's have a look at what the price, what is it right now? $12? It's like $12. Yeah, $12.40. I mean, if you're holding a few hundred, that's a decent sized bag. If you're holding a few hundred ICP, right? You could have been filling up depends where you filled up your bag. You could have filled it up, around $2. Wow, who got as low as $2.87? Crazy. But yeah, a few hundred anyways. A few hundred's probably good. ACQ was one of your gems. Yes. See how it's doing. Let's see. Oh, here it is. ACQ. That's why I needed the ticker. Because there's a dot. That's why. There's a dot in there. That's why I didn't, it wasn't popping up. And I spelt it I spelt it wrong. That's why I spelt it AQ. I left the C out. That's why it wasn't popping up. Yeah. I stand by this one for sure, man. Stand by this one for sure. Absolutely. I forgot what you were asking me about it though. Oh yeah, still big things to come. 100%. Listen, guys, we're not even close to the altcoin season yet, right? We're picking out these gems, guys. Just hold them and wait. I'm telling you right now, you hold on and wait. You will not be sorry, man. You will not be sorry. I like the DOM button. A like the damn button. Yes. Hey, I posted an instructional video regarding language translation from Japanese. Yes, I actually saw that, Crypto Queen. I saw that last night, right? Thank you so much for doing that. So, guys, just so that everybody knows, from Crypto Queen here, she posted an instructional video regarding the language translation from Japanese to English for the JASMY Apple app for the PDL, guys. So it's over in our Discord. So a big thank you to Crypto Queen for doing that. Guys, if you want to figure it out, she put it out there for you. So go check it out, guys. So big thank you to Crypto Queen. Absolutely. JJ, what are your thoughts on any AI? Any AI. I got nothing popping up, man. Nothing popping up. I could check out Dex tools. See. I've seen this one. I've seen this one going around over on X the last couple of days. I haven't really looked much into it yet. It's on Uniswap, right? $614,000 market cap. Only 440 holders. Max supplies in circulation already. What do they do, though? That's the question, right? NeuroNest, a layer 0 AI infrastructure for generative libraries powered by home computational power. Interesting. Yeah, this seems like an interesting play. It's caught my interest. Where can you buy it, though? Only on MetaMask right now, Uniswap. It's interesting. I am interested. Finally hit 100K JASMY, small time investing. Nice. Congratulations, man. That is awesome. Don't even feel bad about it, brother. You should be proud of that. That's a nice bag right there. That's what she said, by the way. Hey, Jasmy Airs. What's up, man? Jasmians. Beebs. Thanks, Crypto Queen. AI OZ. Yes, very solid project. I agree. I've been looking at that one a lot lately. Price prediction for Spell token by the end of 2024. Spell token. I'm going to start doing spell videos for you guys. I swear to God. What do we got? You know what? I'm going to do a spell video just to see how many views it gets. Just to see how many views it gets. What did you say? I mean, I don't know. I could see it making its way back up to around a penny. Maybe, well, maybe more, but I could see it getting all-time high before the end of 2024. For sure. By the end of the year? Yeah, I could. Somewhere between 1 to 3 cents. What rewards do we receive to use the PDL? You guys really have to watch some of the Jasmy videos that I make. Like, I literally, I must say some of this stuff a million times, right? You get their DD coin as a reward right now, which you can convert into Jasmy coin. So that's what you get basically right now. You can go over, you can fill out surveys, you can fill out questionnaires, you can play, there's games you can play on there to earn. So definitely, if you have Apple, I would definitely recommend checking it out, guys. My queen doing queen things. Yep, queen being awesome, just like she does, man. Beebs, Rob, I see Wendy O did a video on what if the USA did away with all of crypto. Yeah, clickbait. Total. I saw that pop up in my feed on YouTube as well, and I was like, I was actually thinking about it. I was like, I should watch it just to see. And then I was like, no, I can't do it. I can't give her the view. I can't do it. So yeah, I seen it though, man. I didn't even waste my time. Total clickbait. Xroot AI. AI play. What's the market cap? Oh, it's only got a $682 million market cap. Wow. Oh, man. A 100% of the supplies in circulation. Wow, this is very new, eh? Very, very new. Can get it on MetaMask and MEXC. Yeah. This is definitely one that I would probably plop like $500 into, because I mean it's got like a $680,000 market cap, right? It should at least get to a few million. Beebs have been in on AIOZ since 14 cents. Nice. Are ISO tokens assets a good long-term investment? HBAR, yes, absolutely, 100%. Emphatically, yes, they are, in my opinion. Steven, Wendy O equals big red flag. No kidding, eh? I like Wendy O because she's so blunt, but I personally think she's someone who just likes to pump her own bag. She is. She likes to. Pretty much everything that Wendy O talks about, she gets paid to talk about. Every project she talks about, they've paid her to talk about it, right? You don't get anything genuine from Wendy O when it comes to projects. And another thing that really drives me up the absolute wall is she's very, very condescending when you're watching her, right? She'll sit there and she'll like, I'll do Wendy O. I'll do Wendy O right now, okay? Okay, guys. So yeah, we're looking over at Spell Token right now. We're looking at Spell Token. Guys, listen. 262 concurrent viewers. There's only 17 likes. Do better, guys. Do better, guys. You're better than this. You're better than this. Click the like button. Come on, guys. You're better. And then it's like that every 10 seconds, right? She can't get through one full statement without saying, you're better than this, guys. Click the like button. You're better than this. Do better. Do better in life. Click the like button. That's why I can't watch Wendy O, right? Just completely condescending with the like button stuff, man. It's insane. I literally only ever ask you guys to click the like button at the end of every stream. I don't sit there for an hour and a half going, guys, click the like button. Be better than this. Do you reckon ADA and Algo be double-digit assets next bull run? Yes, I do. Well, Algorand. Are you talking like next bull run, like 2029, 2030? I think Algorand is going to be about $5 in this bull run, and Cardano is going to be somewhere around $7, in my opinion. Do you plan on doing any analysis video? You know what? I've decided, yes, I am going to do a Spell Token video, and I'm going to see how many views it gets. And if it gets a lot of views and it gets a lot of likes and comments, if you guys engage with the video, I will start covering Spell Token full time. How about that as a deal? I'll make you guys that deal, okay? Elizabeth, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a bit. Good to see you. Welcome in. Welcome. Techno, okay, everybody, I'm being a grifter now. Come on. Yes, exactly. A lot of these crypto content creators belong in a mental asylum. I'd hit the like button if she takes her turns off sound. Nice. Then she's like, join my group and I'll shout you out. I truly don't see how she has so many subs. It's because she's a woman. That's why she has so many subs, right? I would venture to guess that 98% of her subs and viewers are men, right? Who are probably in her DMs trying to get her attention, right? Probably. 88 Algo, 28. I mean, by that point, you'll probably see the peak of the next bull run. You'll probably see Algo somewhere closer to that $10 to $12. Both of them, I could see Cardano somewhere around $20-$25 by then, and Algo somewhere between $10 to $12. Hey Rob, I came across a meme coin, but I'm thinking it might have been a scam. Can you check PC Pig Cat Coin? PC Pig Cat Coin? Pig Cat. It's the Pig Cat. It's the Pig Cat, y'all. It's on Solana. Yes, it is. How long has it been around for? 18 days was the all-time high. You get on Radium. What makes you think it's a scam? It's pumping right now. I mean, it's having itself a pretty good day today. I'm just curious, what makes you think? I mean, listen, all meme coins could be scams. You never know which one's going to be a scam and which one's not when it comes to memes, right? But this one seems just as good as any other. I mean, it could be a scam. It could be a rug, but I mean, so it's having a good day today. I don't know, you know. Wendy should make 50 fake accounts and click the like button. She probably does. Cosmos needs to be this cycle Solana from last cycle. That'd be nice. I think that's going to be SEI network is going to be the next Solana. A woman, but she's old and as dirt. Pig cat. Luna seemed legit and pull exactly. Yeah, exactly. I got burned on Luna. 100%. I was convinced Luna was going to $500-600 at the time, and then scam, rug. Because it major dropped since I invested, so I YouTubed it and not much content. Well, it's because it's so new, right? There's not much content probably because it's so new. I mean, that's probably like the all-time, right? Yeah, like that's how old is the project? It's not even a month old. So, I mean, if this is the chart we're looking at, I mean, you know, I don't know. Hopefully you didn't buy too much. SUI versus SEI. I'm on the side of SEI. It's more VC backed, in my opinion. Yeah, I think it's got further upside. SUI. Let's look at SUI. What are we talking about here, right? So we're talking about a 1.6. We'll round up to $1.6 billion market cap, and the tokenomics are questionable. So the market cap's pretty close. It's a little bit lower on SEI. The tokenomics are better, not by much, but a little bit better on SEI. So to be honest with you, I mean, you're looking at what, ranked 66th and 63rd. You're probably getting pretty close to the same ROI on both projects. They're pretty close, right? It's pretty tight. I'd lean towards SEI though, but I got into SEI network at 2 cents though. So not too much. Thank you, Rob. Hey, no problem, Elizabeth. No problem at all. I was airdropped a boatload of pig cat. I dumped just after it launched. Nice. Took a big old steamer on that one, did you? Get me out of this one. Yep. Guys, if you're new here, as always, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Help the channel grow, man. Help us get bigger. Help us get JASMY content out to more people, right? Rob, what's interesting about KASPA is that they have a halving every year. Of course, I will take profits in this run, but I will keep a moon bag. Yeah, I'm also going to keep a moon bag of KASPA as well. And I will rinse and repeat in the bottom of the next bear market. KASPA will be one of my first bags that I continue to accumulate near the bottom for sure. It'll be one of my top blue chips. Will you be doing an all-night stream when prices are going parabolic? I do an all-night stream every night. I stream the charts every single night. So yeah, you can always tune in when I'm not on here myself. The charts, the JASMY chart, I always have a JASMY and BTC chart correlating, pumping, or streaming every night. So I won't be able to sleep when the run is. Yeah. Oh, I know. You wake up every morning and your portfolio is up like thousands and thousands of dollars, and you're just like, man, should I sell? Should I sell? It's a funny thing. It's a funny thing. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast here. It's like 2 p.m. I haven't even eaten yet, so I gotta get some food in me. So I will be back this evening for another live stream, guys. And yeah, thanks so much for the support, guys. Click the join button, become a member of the channel, click the link in the chat, and click the subscribe button, guys. Smash it. Join the party. Join the family. Be great to have you. If you're on X, follow me on X. And guys, if you're only watching on YouTube, do me a favor and follow me on X anyway. We're gonna try to grow the X account up as well. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go get some food. I will be back in a few hours. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for coming.